Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know that this is very new. This makeup is new. There's a video on this coming soon. My background is new. There isn't a video coming on that soon. There have been a few changes with my filming setup, but I will get into that all in a different video. I was looking back at some of my old videos and I was like, you know what? I've actually never, ever done a get unready video with me. Maybe I filmed one in the past, but like I haven't done one in that case. If there is one, I highly doubt there is because I didn't see any, but if there is, then I haven't done one in probably like a year. I can't remember filming one at all. So Dermalogica reached out to me and they wanted to collaborate with me on this video to bring you guys, and as you guys know, I use a lot of Dermalogica products already as it is. Yes, this video is sponsored, so shout out to Dermalogica, but honestly, like I wouldn't be doing this sponsorship if these products weren't helping my acne and actually helping my skin get better, and I'll go into that all in this video. Okay, so the first part of taking off your makeup at night is to peel off your lashes. You can peel them off by like holding cotton pads over your eyes. I just peel the bitches off like I just did. The next part I do is I wipe off whatever lip product I am wearing, just so that way we're not putting gloss all over our face and shit like that. And you guys can't see this, but I've got a towel here, like I'm toweled up right now because I don't want to get water anywhere. So here I have a bowl of warm water. Get yourself a nice damp face washer, girl. And then the next thing I do is I go in with my cleanser. So I use the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. This is half a liter. Yep. I've gone through about two of these in about the past year and a bit. So I'm just gonna use about one full pump, and then I'm just gonna start cleansing and massaging. And then after about 30 seconds, this is when oh my god, I literally just went like that with my foundation hand and see ya. And then you just want to use that towel. Oh my god, look how much freaking makeup has already come off. Now you guys know I have super sensitive skin, so that's why I look like red as fuck. Okay, so I have just squeezed out that damp towel and rinsed it, and now it's really important, especially if you guys are acne prone, to go in and cleanse again. So the second cleanse is really important because this is when the cleanser actually penetrates your skin and breaks up any dirt and makeup, leftover makeup that is still stuck in your pores. So I always use a second pump and lather it up. Okay, next step is toner. Toner is super important because it gets rid of the excess cleanser that you have on. So I'm gonna go in with my Pixi Glow Tonic Toner, and I use that on 2 cotton pads, and I kind of just go over where I pop that cleanser. Don't put this on your eyes. Do not put any toners near or around your eyes because you will fuck yourself up. And look, there is still makeup on my face after double cleansing, and that just took everything, every last bit of it off. Okay, so next is a mask. Now I'm gonna be using the Dermalogica Clear Start Blackhead Clearing Fizz Mask. This is so fun. I love this mask so much. So I've been using this maybe like twice a week for the past few weeks or so. So basically, for those who don't know, blackheads can then turn into breakouts. And so basically this fizz mask helps to prevent that from happening in general, like it stops it completely. So it looks kind of yellow, which looks really odd. So because it activates upon application, it helps to open pores and decongest your skin. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's fizzing right now. So weird and ticklish kind of. This also has sulfur and kaolin clay, which helps to absorb any oil and control any oil if you guys are oily. It also has apple fruit extract, which helps to hydrate the skin as well. So you're kind of absorbing oil but hydrating at the same time. And you can use this like 3 to 5 times a week if you want to. I just use it twice just when I kind of need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on for about 3 to 5 minutes for it to fully activate, and then we will come and take it off. Okay, so now that it has been about 5 minutes, you guys can't tell, but like, this has definitely fizzed up on my face. It is so weird, but it is so satisfying. And then I'm just going to remove the mask with like a warm towel, basically. My skin always feels so soft after I put this on. Okay, so now that my skin has completely like dried, I'm gonna go ahead and using the Clear Start Skin Soothing Hydrating Lotion. This is like been one of my go-tos. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. That much. And I'm gonna pop this on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Dermalogica Clear Start Breakout Clearing Booster. And basically you just hit like the butt of this and you get a little bit of product come out. And I'm basically just gonna use this over any active pimples that I have. And I usually get pimples like around my hairline, which is really, really random. This is actually formulated with salicylic acid. I know that the word salicylic acid sounds crazy to some people, but it's just basically a bacteria fighting acid that basically just kills any bacteria that's obviously gonna cause breakouts. The technology in this actually kills acne causing bacteria in just 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Like that and that and that is gonna be gone tomorrow. You can use this morning and night, and it also has seaweed extract that helps to lock in moisture and hydration so that way it's not drying out your skin. Then lastly, I'm gonna pop on some Lucas Pawpaw ointment just to moisturize my lips a little bit. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this Get Unready With Me video. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. A huge shout out to Dermalogica for sponsoring today's video. Obviously, I use so much of their skincare already, so when they said to me that they wanted to work with me, I was just like, we're doing it. Be sure to keep an eye out for the makeup tutorial on the look that I was wearing previously in this video, and a video on me rearranging my room. The links will be down below when that video is uploaded, but hit the notification bell, that way you guys don't miss out. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and while you're at it, click the next video. Like, I'll just wait here. I'll just wait real quick. It's over my face right now, actually. Like, you can subscribe here, and you can click the next video over my face. Like, what are you waiting for? Like, if you haven't clicked the notification bell and subscribed, I'm judging at this point. I'm kidding. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.